Everybody, if you want to see how I got some two-strand twists on some super short hair, then stay tuned. Also, a bonus twist out as well. So if you want to see how I do that, just stay tuned. I have freshly washed and conditioned hair, and I'm just showing you the length right now. So if this is something you're interested in, stay tuned. The first thing I do is part the hair from ear to ear, get grabbing as much as I can and as I can see. So I just grab that and I section that off, grab a rubber band for the back section and get that hair out the way as well. I'm using one product. It's the protein gel, the brown gel, and that is the only product that I use, and it holds the two-strand twist very well. I am going to have a side part, so that's why I section off this part of my hair to create a side part. Now I'm just grabbing some of that gel and just applying it to the part that I am about to two-strand twist, grabbing two strands of hair and twisting it over each other, creating a perfect two-strand twist. This style will last you about a couple of weeks, and just wear a bonnet or something like that. And yeah, so I'm just completing the process, and I'm gonna go row by row as well. And right now I am just doing section by section, but you can also just like apply the gel to the complete row that you're working with and then create the two-strand twist, just as long as you got gel on each strand of hair that you are two-strand twisting. That makes sure that the hair stays secure, and it also brings a little shine to your hair as well, like once it's dry and everything. So yeah, you just want to go row by row, and just from one row to the next one until that side is completely done. Okay, once that done, you just want to start at the other side of your head, and you're just going to create the rows like we did on the other side, and you want to apply your gel to each section as well, and just continuing the two-strand twist process. And I'm going to go like halfway on that section before I start on the top section of my head, and I start parting in a slanted motion, so some of that hair, once I two-strand twist it, falls in my face and on the side as well. That's how you get that fullness look as well. So if you want your two-strand twist to look full and really neat, just start slanting the parts. If you having a side part, but you can also do a middle part as well if you like. It's all up to you, but to get this particular style, this is what I did. And once that is completed, this is how it should be looking. And then you after you get done with that, you just want to start with the back of your head, and I'll be showing you how I will be doing that as well. And I am just not really sectioning off my hair well, just a little by little, and I'm just two-strand twisting the hair the best I can. It really doesn't matter with the back of your hair, but if you want to make neat parts and two-strand twist the hair, you can, but I wasn't worried about it. So yep, I'm just kind of feeling, like I said, applying that gel and just two-strand twisting the hair. And then once I get all of that done at the back of the hair, I will be showing you the finished look. And also remember, I'm supposed to be showing you the twist out as well, so continue to watch until I show you that as well. So once the back of the hair is completed, this is how everything should be looking. And yeah, it looks good. I kind of put a little gel on my edges as well. This is the back of my head. And now the twist out, I am just gently separating the hair. The two-strand twist, as you can see right here, you want to be not rough with it, because you don't want to disturb the two-strand twist, and make sure that they are completely dry before you start taking them down, because that is important, because you want to keep the form of the kind of crinkled look. Okay, once you get done with that, this is how it's looking, but we're not done, because we're going to go in with a comb and get rid of some of that parting that you see in my hair right now. And you just want to lift the root, not going all the way through. You just want to start at the root and kind of lift the comb in an upward motion, and that will make those parts disappear, giving you a full complete look. So if you got thin hair or anything like that, this will be a great protective style to do on your hair. So I hope you like this video, and y'all have a great, blessed, productive day and week.